In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Flow Launcher on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So Flow Launcher is one of the best tools that helps you have easily accessible search bar for your files and apps on your PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. So to install Flow Launcher, you need to go ahead and search for this app by name using any browser. So I'll go ahead and just type Flow Launcher, and you can see Flow Launcher is here. Go ahead and click on it, and here we can now directly download it to our computer by clicking on download here. If you click on this, you have two options. You can either download the installer or portable. So if you want also to have a portable file that you can share and install elsewhere, you can also choose portable. So I'll go ahead and click on installer option, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of this app. And once the file has been downloaded, go ahead and click on the folder that contains the file. So mine is under downloads. From here, double click on this file, and this will take you to the installation wizard. From here, go ahead and either skip or click on next to go through the processes here. You can first check on this to start Flow Launcher on system startup if you wish, or you can check this if you want to hide Flow Launcher on your startup. So I'll go ahead and click on done, and that is it. Flow Launcher has been installed on my Windows computer. You can see the shortcut is available here. So that's how you can install Flow Launcher on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.